All right, what's up? Market just opened. Do a live trading session today. I have overall neutral bias, leaning bearish, but I'm not opposed to longs either. Market just opened right now. That's what we're seeing. Looks like we just hit midpoint of the range, midpoint of this whole range here. And honestly interested in longs up to here. That being said, on the higher time frame, a little bit more bearish towards these lows. We have this unfilled quarter open, um, unfilled gap there, and just how we've retraced here just kind of makes me think that even more. So I'm not opposed to shorts, but I am gonna sit on my hands and wait for something. I'm gonna be trading one full NQ contract instead of just micros. Why? Because I'm doing one-to-ones now. So I have a much higher win rate on one-to-ones, so I thought, why not risk more? Just makes more sense to me, especially on evals, not fundeds, but on evals. Should just be risking more. But we swept a major low here around midpoint of this range, so if anything, if we were going to reverse, I feel like we would do it soon, except ES is now so close to that draw, which makes me want to stay bearish. But no need to wait for a good pullback. I wouldn't want to take this unless we had stop loss up here. Let me give this displacement a go. Go one-to-one. One-to-one on this displacement with this order block. I just have a lot of conviction in lower, to be honest. What's a good break-even point? I have this here. We could go break even. I don't know, we'll just play it by ear. We are risking a lot here. Especially on this 50 with one NQ contract. Gotta be really careful here. But I do want to see this play out. We will probably retrace up here, if I'm being honest. But I kind of thought this to be a breakaway. Seeing pretty good absorption at the order block. Might close as ES takes the draw. But I want to stay bearish towards those lows. Just need a good close lower. Don't need any of this wick stuff. Spend too much time wicking here and then we flip, I'd be mildly concerned. I do honestly expect us to retrace first. So I just got to be ready to be in that drawdown. Again, though, I'm risking a lot on these evals. This should be slightly higher. I definitely don't like where my stop loss is in regards to what we've made up here. But it's still, I have much more confidence if we can inverse this. It's like we have an SMT with this high. I'd even add. I add if we inverse that. But again, I kind of wish I just kind of wish I would have just waited for this. But at the same time, I do like the style of entering on displacement and then letting price breathe. I see a lot of people do. But I don't know, this could totally flip. I'm not really liking this very much. But what we can do is watch and wait. It's definitely not an ideal close whatsoever. we inverse to this 5, I literally reverse my position just because of where we are delivering from. But I really want to still see this play out. What I don't like is how we respected CE this 1 minute so well. But this looks pretty bearish. We have another SMT with this high now. Hopefully we're not generating liquidity. Double SMT. I want strong displacement soon for my confidence to stay intact. That's not really what I want to see, but can inverse this 30 strong. And I'd move my stop to this, to right here. This is not what we want to see at all. That looks better. Now we seriously need to dump lower. Just ES is getting so close to its draw down here, so I'm just confident in shorts, but this looks really bad on the 1 hour for NQ. See, ES is getting so close to its draw. Once it reaches that, I'm gonna have to close the trade because it's unfortunate, but They're just not correlated anymore, and I can't. Um, I have to get out at break even. Five-minute rejection looks really good. See, I just didn't need to be in this trade. Really didn't need to be in this. Now we're getting great delivery from this 1 minute higher, so it's not good. We're gonna re-manipulate the high. I had my, yeah. This should probably go back where it was. Just in case we re-soup the high. This just needs to get inversed. It's really the only thing stopping this. Really good rejection from the 5 minute, but I just don't like how we've built up these highs here. It's probably gonna run them. At this point, my damn, there goes the stop for a ton of money. Going long now. We would have delivered if we were going to. Forgot about the trailing drawdown. There goes the account. Are we for real? Oh, what am I doing, bro? I don't know what I'm doing. Just took like way too much risk on that, and then so stupid. So stupid. Now there's all this for price to run. ES has its draw. And now I have no account when I could have taken a short off of this. Watch. This is going to be the trade that plays out. Just going to watch it. Not going to be able to take it. Are you serious, bro? Hold on. Yes, I'm buying a new account. It's my dumbass. Bro, what are you talking about? This is broken. I mean, billing state is a required field. I already did that. It doesn't even let me put in the billing state. It doesn't save it. Are you serious? This is so stupid. Save changes. Stupid place to put a save changes button. All right. Not in a good mood, but so this one's blown. Now we should have this over here. Fresh account. All right, I'm gonna end this video here. Um, Either it's gonna be done trading or I'm gonna be waiting for something really good. I'm just not happy with how I just over risked so much without even thinking about it. Like that that shouldn't be happening this far into my trading journey. Just to risk $1,200 on a trade and then forget about trailing drawdown and enter longs, which would probably play out. But anyways, um, it's not a great day, but whatever. So see you guys either tomorrow or another day this week.